Okay, it started recording right away. Maybe. Yep, it's recording. Okay, remember this list is not all inclusive. I'm not going to go back to that page and show you that bullet thing again. Here's the last two questions on the log standard for spring 2019 Math 3 second semester final review. Okay, so remember how to find the inverse of a exponential is a logarithm. So if we have to find the inverse, first thing we're going to do is switch the x and y. You're going to see that on the BF standard videos, is to find the inverse, you have to switch the x and y. Why? Because inverses swap domain and range. It's a reflection over the y equals x line. So now, how do I isolate y? The only way to isolate y is to write this as a logarithm, right? So remember, log base answer power, log base answer power. Hey, look at that. I'm done. Okay? On the BF standard, there's actually a different question finding the inverse where it's not just a simple one like this. So you make sure you look at that, the BF standard, for how to find the inverse of an exponential or logarithm and vice versa. Okay? So let's do the same thing. This is going to be change of base formula again, but this is also how to solve exponential equations. We're going to use the properties this time. Can I take the logarithm of both sides? Somebody say yes. Yes, that's a legal thing to do, just like if you divide both sides by 5, or I multiply both sides by 3. You can take the logarithm of both sides. So when you take the log of both sides, it looks like this. Make sense? Now, what can I say about the power property? What happens to that x? It jumps out in front. So we have x log 3 equals log 2. Now, remember, log 3 is just a number that lives in your calculator, so we can divide by log 3 on both sides. So x equals log 2 over log 3, right? But isn't this the same thing we did on that previous page? If I rewrite this as base answer power, log base answer power, and then change a base formula on that, both methods get you to the exact same answer. This question on the test was multiple choice, and I think the answer was D right there. Wait. Log 2 over log 3. Ooh, that's tricky. Man, did I do that to you guys? That's tricky. Not sorry. Okay, any questions on that concept? Cool, that's it for that video.